Is your brain constantly juggling 100 ideas at once? Well, same here. But what if I told you there is an app that can turn all the chaos into something actually usable? This back to school season, check out this app called EdrawMind. It's like having a digital whiteboard, project planner, and a brainstorming coach all in one place. And the best part, it also has certain AI features that will help you speed up your workflow. Today, I'm gonna walk you through how EdrawMind works, what makes it different from the dozens of other apps that I've tried, and how you can use it to upgrade your productivity game instantly. My name is Prithviraj and I create videos on productivity, tech, and life. One standout feature is the AI mind map generation. We'll get to that in a moment, but before that, let's kick off with the basics. It's rather easy to download EdrawMind. It's available everywhere: Windows, macOS, iOS, as well as on Android. Simply download that from their website. We'll attach the link in the description box below the like button and simply follow the steps to install that. Alright, before we dive down into its features, there's something cool that I'd like to show you. We can now create PowerPoint presentations with just one click. If you're a student, this will be super helpful. Simply write the prompt and it will create a fully furnished PowerPoint slide for you instantly. You can even upload PDFs, Word docs, or even photos, and it will automatically generate slides based on that. This can really help you speed up your PowerPoint slides, and you can manually adjust everything else, of course. Now that's out of the way, let's explore all the AI capabilities. You can simply type a topic or paste in some text, and EdrawMind's AI powered tools will instantly create a structured mind map for you. It's like having an AI brainstorm buddy who handles the layout and the idea branches. On the mobile app, there is even an AI one-click map. Enter a prompt and tap on generate, and boom, a map appears. This will save a ton of time when you're starting off with a blank canvas. It also has an AI chat assistant that will give you instant feedback as you go. The AI can suggest you new ideas and refines the map structure dynamically. It's a huge boost when you're stuck or just need a spark of inspiration. On the manual side, EdrawMind offers a user-friendly drag and drop editor. Start from a blank canvas or one of the built-in templates, then double-click and press a key to add new topics and branches. You can insert relationship arrows, callouts, outer frames, or even collapse or expand entire sections. There are 700 plus built-in clip art images and icons to make your map pop out, or you can even import your own photos. Every branch's font, shape, color, and line style is fully customizable. If you prefer typing, there is also an outline view where you can see the map content in one traditional text outline. And if you want a really flexible workflow, EdrawMind even offers a brainstorming mode. You can scatter ideas around and the app will assist in organizing them afterwards. It's designed so beginners can get started quickly, but power users have full control over this styling. Speaking of design, EdrawMind has tons of templates and customization options that you can choose from. Simply pick one from dozens of preset templates for business, education, or for fun. This sites gallery has lots of expert-made maps that you can copy. Under the hood, the software boasts 700 plus clip art images, as I previously mentioned, and it also has pixel stock image integration and custom background color schemes. Basically, you can make the mind map look exactly how you want it, and also change the themes, colors, and fonts, or even latex equations if needed. I've barely scratched the surface for its styling features, and everything is drag and drop, so tweaking the design on the fly is super intuitive. A really neat trick is the presentation mode. Once your mind map is ready, EdrawMind can turn it into a slideshow automatically. With one click, it converts your map into a series of slides. The traverse tool lets you set the reveal order, so you're not flooding the screen with everything at once. It's like having an instant PowerPoint made from your mind map. This is great for pitching ideas or even teaching without any extra work. You can even reorder or edit those slides if you want to focus on specific branches. EdrawMind also shines at collaboration and sharing. You can publish your maps on social media or even the EdrawMind gallery and then share the links with anyone. There is even an online community and template gallery where users share their maps. You can browse them and use those on your own projects. More importantly, it has a built-in real-time teamwork features. There is a team space where your whole team can open and edit the same map with changes updating live. Super helpful. Remote teammates in any time zone can add comments or ideas and everyone sees the updates instantly. You can also control who can view and edit, and the version history lets you roll back any unwanted changes. All in all, EdrawMind makes group brainstorming sessions painless. You don't have to email files back and forth. And on the go, the EdrawMind mobile app, both for Android as well as iOS, brings most of the desktop power to your phone and on your tablet. You can drag topics with your finger, add or edit content, and also use templates or the AI generator, just like on your desktop. EdrawMind uses a secure cloud sync with autosave, so any map you create or modify will be accessible on all your devices. Start a map on your laptop and pick it right where you left off on your phone. Your work will follow you everywhere. The interface is clean even on the mobile app. You get nearly the same tools, drag and drop features, icons, notes, and even the brainstorming mode are all there. It's great for capturing ideas whenever inspiration strikes. Now let's talk export formats and integrations. EdrawMind plays nicely with other tools. You can export your maps to PDF, photos, both JPEG and PNG, or Microsoft Office files like Word, PowerPoint, Excel. If you need HTML or SVG for the web or to share it with other mind map map apps like Mind Manager, EdrawMind will have you covered too. You can import documents like Word or Excel data and have it turned into a mind map automatically. For cloud integrations, EdrawMind has built-in support for Dropbox, so you can open or save maps directly from your cloud storage. In short, you can easily move data in and out from EdrawMind and keep all your files synced wherever you like. Finally, what about the pricing? The good news we have is that EdrawMind has a free version you can use forever. The free edition includes many core features. You can create and format maps, add notes, attachments, use markers or tags, and export it to image formats, PNG, JPG, etc. If you need more like unlimited templates, full export to PDF or PowerPoint presentations, or even more cloud storage and the latest AI tools, you can upgrade with the paid plan. Wondershare offers flexible subscriptions or one-time license, often with bundle deals and money-back guaranteed. So it's easy to try out risk-free. The free version is quite powerful on its own, and the paid plan unlocks all the features if you need them. To wrap it up, EdrawMind is a super friendly and a feature-rich mind mapping app. It makes brainstorming easy with AI assistance, gives you tons of creative control with templates and clip arts, and even turns your maps into polished presentations. It's great for solo work and even better for teamwork. Best of all, the free version already lets you do it all. So if you found this tutorial helpful, then please consider hitting that subscribe button and also like the video, and definitely try out EdrawMind yourself. I will leave all the links in the description. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and which feature you're most excited to try at first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.